AMBR, stock analysis and price predictions for next week and onward. This is super interesting. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. And look, as the only person in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos. Yeah, I do have 44,000 videos, so documented. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And if you watch my yesterday's, was it yesterday? I don't know. I'm not quite sure, but it was a bearish idea that I had on AMBR, and then we went down 9%. Not yesterday, but a video that was made on 5th of August. Crazy part is only got 3 freaking views. Holy crap is this? Probably a glitch. But yeah, it was 690, then now we're at like 654, 657. And I'll definitely copy the link of this and then just have it here. Because definitely it's a bearish market for me. I'm not going to be bearish on AMBR unless only when we start breaking above 805. For right now, it's just so bearish. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated.